Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're going to make guacamole. You know, the best thing about living in Australia is that we're so multicultural and we eat different food from all parts of the globe every day. So this is just one of them. Guacamole is just delicious and so good for you. We're going to make it in the food processor of our Cook Expert. So we're starting with our onions and garlic. So we're going to pop it in. Now as soon as you turn it on, it actually goes to food processor. All good. Now, the one thing to remember too is that when you're opening and closing your food processor, it's good to take the pusher out first and then open and close. Makes it really much easier, and you're also protecting that locking system because it's a double locking system that it has. So, okay, so I'm going to start with the bit of garlic and some onion and into here. Now also, by the way, you don't have to leave all the bowls in here. You can just use these two and leave this one aside. It really doesn't matter. I'll do that now. So you can just use that one by itself. So I'm just going to pop that back in now. So that's it. Beautiful. So popping that on, then putting the pusher in like so. So there it goes. I'm just chopping that up in a couple of seconds. Now you don't even have to open the lid. You can just open the pusher and put things down because that actual funnel hole is really quite large. So we're going to put in there the avocado. So I've pre-chopped some avocado there. My avocado is not that ripe today. But anyway, there it is. And then a bit of lemon juice. You can use lime juice if you like. I just had lemon juice today. Some cracked pepper and salt. Like that. Pop it on again. And I'm just pulsing it so that I can actually control it. Do you know what? I've forgotten to put the tomatoes in. Here we have it. Okay, I've got a tomato here. There we go. I'll pop the tomatoes in. So pop the tomato in, just like that. Okay, and let's pass it. Beautiful. And your guacamole is ready. As I said, my avocado is not that ripe, but it's really up to you. You can actually make it nice and smooth if you leave it a little bit longer. So, but I just wanted mine to be a little chunky, like, you know, for a salad, which is just beautiful. Have a look at that. Isn't that amazing? So I'm just going to pop it in here like so. Now guacamole, you know, you can make it for a breakfast with toast and pop a little egg on top. You know, I sometimes just have it on a bit of sourdough bread. You can use it as a dip. There's lots of ways you can actually eat guacamole. And it's just so good for you because it's just got all the really beautiful vegetables and in it. So just popping a little bit of parsley in there like that. And there it is. It's really easy. You can use a dip with biscuits or you can just cut up the carrots and zucchinis as well. It's very, very easy. Use your Cook Expert food processor to make guacamole. It's really delicious. So good for you. Okay, see ya.